guys, so in today's video we are going to be doing our eyebrows. I've been letting them grow out to see what they kind of look like. It's a mess, so we're going to taper them. If you do not know, I use a tweezer to do my eyebrows. I am going to get a razor at some point, probably in the next couple of weeks, because it's less painful. But we're going to tweeze, like I said, and yeah, let's get started. And have y'all got your shirt today? Just a question. So let me get a little closer, and then we'll get started. Okay, guys, so what I do, my first step is to brush them up as much as I can, and then draw them on. Now, as you can see on this side of my eye, which is my left side, the end part of my eyebrows are very scarce. It's thin, especially compared to this side. I mean, they're both, this one's scarce. They're both thin, but this one is just, it's just, oh my gosh, it's just scarce. So yeah, it is what it is. But we got that done. Now we're going to draw them on and then maintain them, or do maintenance. Now, ain't much left on this one, but we're going to use as much, or try to do as much as we can. Okay, so we are going to just go here. And here. I wasn't going to fill them in, but I guess it would help a little more. Okay, a little more. So that is one side, and I know it's dark. I just want to make it as dark as I can so that we know what we're doing. Okay, and then we're going to see if we can fix it up a little bit for it to just kind of make sense. We just want the shape right now. Okay, so I'm going to go off, do this one because it might be a little more difficult and take a lot longer. And then I'm going to come back and see if we can clean it up together on camera and then go from there. Look what I found. We're not going to use this right now. I might use it on one eye, but we are going to pluck from one eye just to show you guys what I do when I don't have it available. Okay, so I'm back. We're going to see if we can clean it up some to our liking. I got a Q-tip and micellar water. I don't know how you pronounce it, but we're going to see if this works, okay? tell me that's not a beautiful eyebrow. Okay, so one eye is done, okay? I'm sorry, that is like one of the best eyebrows I have ever done, okay? But, oh, and inexpensive. Okay, this is the AOA Studio Brow Gel. And super pigmented, long lasting, smudge proof. I don't know how true that is. It's been a minute since I've actually used this one. And I was trying to look to see which one it was. Color, oh, it's in caramel. Or caramel, because I say caramel. But that is what it looks like. But baby. And this is the e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush, okay? And honey bun, look. Now, if you want to even get even more into it looking like it's amazing, you can take concealer, a little bit, okay, a little bit, and dab it as much as you can, because you just want like the excess, and make it like little brush strokes. Now that's really up to you, okay, really up to you, but it's an idea, okay? It is an idea. Now, of course, you can do this before your makeup, your foundation and stuff, so that you can carve out however you want to do it. But to go from beginning to end to where we at now, man, I almost thought I had let somebody come in here and do it for me, okay? I'm just saying. So we're gonna do this side, and we'll be back.